Okay, today we're going to start out with camera in hand. I was asked, show what the end product was. Well, there's the nose cone nut of the standard spinner, and it's 8 grams. And I'm going to be making those out of this task 4. And here is the back plate and the standard spinner, and it's 34 grams. Now, the spinner that I've produced with the back plate is 9 grams. And you can put this nut, the standard nut, in there. And we've got 17 grams. But we're going to get that down. We're going to get it down to 15 grams at least. And I'm thinking a bunch less than that. So what I'm doing today is I'm waiting on my Mold Star Series 10, and I've hot glued the spinner nut onto a piece of arrow shaft standing on end, and we're going to pour the mold material into that. I'll have to sacrifice that container. I'll cut it down the side and open it up, and it has a shear strength of 10, meaning that it's real stretchy. This rubber here that we're using for the back plate mold is very, it's stout. It would not do what we need to do. The viscosity of this material is 60 centipoids. That means that it's going to be able to run into the threads of this piece. And if not, I can always take a tap and chase it, but it should be fine. So, the spinners that I'm making, they have a back plate like that, just like the True Turn. I also make that back plate in a carbon fiber one. However, I was told by the engineers that this material is machinable, because I've already done it. Is plenty strong enough for what we're doing. Now, I wouldn't suggest that you put this spinner on, and it's a perfect fit. Put this spinner on and tighten it down to 40 foot-pounds of torque, but it's going to be fine for what we're doing. So, later on today, I'll be making another mold, like I said, out of this particular spinner, and gluing it in there and putting the cup together. And I got to looking on the wall, and the reason why I'm not flying my MC72 is that it felt nose heavy. So the spinner that I have on it is a 2.5-inch spinner. It's just huge, and it's heavy. It's over 2.5 ounces. I'm thinking, you know what? I'm going to mold up one of these spinners and get some of the nose weight off of that airplane. So, later on today, I'll be back. This is just a short intro to show Doug exactly what I got going here and what the weights are. And I'll show you how I lay up this this particular piece here and pour the casting resin in that. I'm real happy with this spinner. It's super strong, super light. So, we'll see you later on in the afternoon. Tight lines.